Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Party planners and DIY enthusiasts, it's time to add a personal touch to your celebrations with Canva. Join me as we explore the basics and discover how to design beautiful birthday invitations that set the tone for an unforgettable event. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So first of all guys, in this video we are going to talk in brief about these cards which are made simply for birthday party invitations. So we're going to try to make several ones that's going to help us to make a beautiful birthday card from scratch, and of course we're going to use some kind of already ready to use templates within Canva. So first of all guys, let's go ahead and open Canva and let's write here birthday in the search. So birthday invitation, there we go, and here are all the cards that are basically available for us. So there's this one which is pretty cute. Yep, let's click on it. So this one, for example, in case you will have a daughter, or you have a daughter, well, the colors in here are pretty good. So what I will usually suggest you to do guys is to keep on the same images. In case you had a template, keep the same things here, do not change anything, because it is well planned. Everything is put within the correct destination, nothing has to be changed, so the places are perfectly managed and perfectly put it in the correct thing. But in case you would like to change anything, it is up to you. Now for the details that has to be changed are pretty simple. So here, as you can see, there is this text which reads basically Esther Darcy. Basically it is the name of this designer. So here is basically the name of your kid or the birthday of whom is exactly. So we can change it here to something like baby party or something like that, or let's name it, for example, Andreas Sanchez or something like that, birthday, and we can literally just make it bigger like that and move it around as we would like. And as you can see, this is a name and it looks pretty cute. Now here we should add a date. For example, it shows that it is Friday, October 30, 4 p.m. That looks great. Or let's make it 6 p.m. Here 1 to 3 anywhere street, any city, etc, etc. So these details you could change them by yourself. Even the balloon here, let's say that you have a daughter, not a son, and you want to keep like everything pink, so you could search here for balloons. So balloon, and let's search for elements to be more specific. And here it goes. So here we have like no, we need something pink, so let's change for pink balloon. Let's do this. Here we go, pink. And yeah, this is something that we would usually use. So these are some balloons that you could use. As you can see here, we could put them in the here. Let me just remove this first, and we can put them right here. We can also manage the layers, so we can go here, show layers, and we can drag it down somewhere here. This one looks nice. This is something that I would like to use as my balloons. So you could here add a lot of things as long as you want. And of course guys, this is a very important thing to know, that is I am using a premium version. So this is like the Canva premium version, so I'm not using the free version. The free version, it will have some kind of features, but some features will not be allowed for you to use, such as this feature which is quick action, which will allow you to literally do anything you want using an AI assistant, and a lot of things in the background that will help you a lot. Also here we have basically the picture, in case you would like to keep it as it is and download it so we can start sharing it with people. We have to simply click on share, then click on download, and we have here the size. So make sure the size is full, make sure it is JPG, and make sure that it is 100 so the quality is the best in case you had premium Canva. In case it was normal Canva, then 19 will do the work. Also here guys, in case you would like to simply share it on social media, directly click on here and you will have literally every single social media platform, and you can also schedule it. As you can see, I have now the premium version, so I can literally connect my Instagram business or linked Instagram account or Facebook or anything, and it will start scheduling everything. So here there is Instagram business, Facebook page, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn page, Slack, and Tumblr. So you can literally schedule everything as you want when the time arrives. So these are all, and you can also like publish it on TikTok directly. Yeah, you can add some music in case you would like to, and yeah, this will be a good effect. And you can add also some effects from TikTok, so it can add a little bit of life to the image, so it can seem like a video, not a picture anymore. And yeah, this is exactly how it works for a template. Now let's say that you want to make it from scratch. So what you have to do is to create a design, and now we have to choose the custom design. And now since we are going to create a custom design, we have to search for a custom size, or the size that we are going to work with. So birthday invitation size, this is usually the size that works with. So in inches. Okay, so it is for sex. Let's go with that. Let's change it to inch, and let's put here 4 and 6. So that would be the size of our design. And yeah, this is basically the size of the card. It's gonna be something like that. And now what I'm gonna do is basically, let me just do that, and I'm going to start bringing up some element that's gonna help me. So birthday, and here for example we have a cake. Let's rotate it a little bit and put it in here. Let's have like balloons. This will be helpful as well. Make them bigger. We can put them like so, or we can literally just have something else. So for example this one. Alright, here we can also add simple text, so we can have here a text. We can use for example birthday, and yeah, this is something that maybe you would like to use. So there's here a lot of things that could be used for birthday. So happy birthday, that's perfectly good. Now we can change the colors to be whatever we want. For example, if we want it to be pink, orange, whatever thing I would like it to be, I will find the exact colors and I would like to put it here. So the colors should be something else. So let me just choose both texts to be here, or let me just grab it to the top. Let me just select it. Somehow I need to select both, but that doesn't really matter at the moment. I guess I'm going to go for black, because the black will show on the top of everything. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Let's just make it smaller, and we can put it as a title, just put it here, whatever you want. So it really doesn't matter. And yeah, we can add elements and pictures together, and it will start to be creating a beautiful image for us within few seconds. So yeah guys, that is how you can create your birthday invitation. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.